Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create holes as you can see without using boolean and highly optimized. If you count the number of words it is 4 and face is 1, so you can see that it is quite optimized, low memory consuming and very good thing. So let's see how to create. So I will start everything from scratch. Okay, file, new, general. I don't want to save this. Press A, X and delete, press 7 on numpad, add mesh plane. Scale, let's say 3 times, select this, press Ctrl A, apply scale. Now go to the shading, select this, press 7 on numpad, click on new and drag it here, search Voronoi, select Voronoi distance. After that select this, press Ctrl T. If this thing doesn't pop up, make sure that you go here, preferences and search for Wrangler. Make sure no Wrangler is checked on. Okay. After that you can see it's still a mess. So press Shift A and search for color ramp and connected here. Looks okay. Now collect this color to alpha. Now some of might say that alpha should connect to the alpha. You are right, but for some bug I need to collect color to alpha to get the results. Okay, still there is no hole. Go here, I'm using Eevee as a render engine. So select alpha hash, alpha clip. Now notice some little bit transparency is there, but it's not much. Now bring them closer. Now you can see how does it look like. Now, but these are not the kind of holes that you are looking for, right? So I will go downwards, uncheck the randomness. Okay, and what let's see. Click on here, click on smooth F1 and select this, select Minkowski. Wait a minute. And make sure connect UV to vector. Now you can see something. Hmm. Okay, but hole is there. Just move this to here. Now you can see that plenty of holes are there. Now some will say, hey, I don't want this number of holes. So what you can do to increase the size, you can choose the scaling part. Notice how numbers of holes changes and play with the exponent part to change the shape. So you can make custom shape and you can see for better quality here, instead of linear, select constant. Notice it becomes sharp edge and quite crystal clear. That is basically what I want. And in that way you can create custom shapes as well. You can also use some images if you want to make things like this, but I left to you. If you face problem, just comment it that you are not able to figure out and I will create a tutorial separately for that. So yeah, that's for all. And you just play around with these things and settings. You can create another kind of pattern as well. So just play around, have fun with blender and love to see what are you going to create. And what you can do is one more thing. Let's say I go to the layout. Let's add a sphere. Let's scale it up. Select this, press Ctrl A, apply scale, right click, shade, auto smooth, and I will go to the shading. Select the material that we have created. Now you can see this how it look like. Hmm, looks not bad. Imagine I have to create this in a, cutting boolean or something like that. How much time consuming it will be. So yeah, we have saved a lot of time. So in that way you can create your custom things. Okay. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.